Hello everyone, and welcome to San Nicolò Luxury Real Estate. I'm Natasha, and today I would love to show you an amazing property that consists of 2 buildings, totally built out of stone, surrounded by 1 hectare of fenced garden and 2 hectares with 600 olive trees. Would you like to see it? In this beautiful contest, we arrive through a dirt road. The house is fully immersed in the woods, but only 20 minutes away from Florence. From here we have 4 parking spaces for our cars. And we go up through this lane. We have the first building, which is a lovely barn, totally made out of stone. On one side of the house, we have a beautiful loggia on which we have an overview of the garden. Having such big windows makes you feel that you're totally immersed in nature and looking at the olive trees and the surrounding hills. From here we have access to this lovely barn of 138 square meters. As you see, all the tones are soft and natural. Antique cotta floors, wooden beams make a beautiful contrast with this modern, fully equipped kitchen that is connected to this amazing loggia that I'm going to show you. A loggia that has stone walls, beautiful cotta floors, and also all these windows that look over the garden and gives you a feeling that you are totally immersed in nature. We have a pellet fireplace. Wood was used, beams on the ceiling. We have a dining table that would be perfect to dine with your family and friends. Taking you this way, on this side we have a pantry and we access to this double bedroom. As you see, we have this beautiful library and its private bathroom. These stairs bring us up to the sleeping area. This double bedroom is very bright and has windows all over. We can even see the Dome of Florence from here. From here, this lane brings us up to the second building, which is the main house. Very close to the other building, we enter in the main building that measures 264 square meters. The 2 buildings were completely renovated in 2022. The renovations were done with a maximum of energy efficiency. Solar panels on the roofs and also the materials you see. Renovations were done to maintain the real classic and rustic style. In this double living space, we have a dining area with a working fireplace. As you see, the renovations were done to maintain the rustic style, but with a lot of modern touches. Through the living area, we enter in this large, bright kitchen, fully equipped, where we can host a lot of friends and family. In the summer, we get out from this side and can dine with a beautiful view over Florence and the surrounding hills. Now let me take you upstairs to the sleeping area. From here we enter in the third bedroom, a double bedroom, very bright and large, with its walk-in closet and an amazing window that looks like a frame of a painting from which you can see the whole city. The room has its ensuite bathroom with a shower and a bathtub. As you see, this property has a lot of privacy. It's isolated, but still near the city. We can sit outside with our friends in the summer, enjoy. If you have a family and children, they can run around. And if you have dogs and cats, it's just amazing to live in this kind of contest. Also, today's tour has come to an end. I really hope you enjoyed the property. And please leave us your feedback. We're very interested to know what your opinions are. Please subscribe and see you next time. Thank you so much.